Good morning. Talking about Pirkei Avos, Perek Gimel. The Mishnah, in Mishnah Tes Vav, Perek Gimel, in Pirkei Avos says, Hakoil tzafui. Everything a person does, even in the most private place, is seen by Hashem. Not only this, but anything which a person will do in the future is foreseen by Hashem. The harishus nisuna. Yet a person is given the choice, permission to choose what he wants to do. Even though Hashem foresees his actions, Hashem still gives him that choice to choose what he wants to do, good or chas v'shalom, the opposite. Uv'toiv ha'olam nidain. And the Mishnah continues and says that Hashem judges the world with toiv, with good, which is explained over here, the Mefarshim explain, means with mercy, kindness and mercy. Kindness, mercy, patience. Hashem waits for a person to do tshuva. And even if a person does do sins, Hashem only punishes him for good reasons, because Hashem wants him to do tshuva, and Hashem wants him to get a clean slate and to go into Gan Eden. Not chas v'shalom because Hashem wants to get him back to do nekama or for any other reason. And the Mishnah ends off and it says, V'hakoil lifi roiv hamasa. Everything goes according to the deeds, how many deeds a person does. Hakoil lifi roiv hamaisa. It goes according to how many deeds a person does. And the simple explanation here is that if a person does more good deeds than bad deeds, then he is zakai, then he comes out of judgment with a win, triumphant. However, if he does chas v'shalom, the opposite, he does more bad deeds than good deeds, then he comes out guilty. That is the simple explanation. I just want to focus on the explanation of the Rambam. The Rambam over here says a fascinating thing. The Rambam explains that this means, let's say, for example, we have two different people. One person gives tzedakah, he takes out a crispy $100 bill and he gives it to tzedakah one day. The second person gives $1 a day for 100 days. Which person gets more reward? The Rambam says, the person who gave $1 a day for 100 days gets much more reward. Why is this? The reason here is because he was consistent. He didn't just give $100 one day because he felt like it, but rather he went day in, day out, and he gave $1 each and every day. He did many, many more actions. He did 99 more good deeds than the other person who gave one day $100. So this person who gave, although it was a small amount, but it was consistent, it was made up of 100 independent actions to do good. And therefore his reward will be 100 times the other person who gave $100 one day. We see from here the importance of consistency, of doing what you're supposed to do, even if it's small, a small amount of good, but do it day in, day out, every single day. Work hard. Consistency is key. In fact, there's an old saying that consistency is the quiet engine of success. We should all be zaycha to be consistent, and through this consistency, doing good things every single day, we should come closer to Hashem and serve Hashem properly. Have a good day.